Almost 96% of drivers have no idea these WD-40 car hacks actually work, and that's crazy. One of these tricks can prevent a repair that shops charge $500 plus for every single day. So before you spend another $1 on your car, let's go through 15 genius WD-40 hacks that actually work in real life. And trust me, you will not want to skip trick number 8. Trick 15. Restore interior shine instantly. Let's start strong. You've got sticky residue, old stickers, gum, random gunk in cup holders. Instead of buying expensive cleaners, just use WD-40, spray it on a cloth, not directly, wipe gently, and watch that mess disappear instantly. But here's the part most people miss. You must wipe it afterward with soapy water, otherwise it leaves an oily film. Detailing shops charge $150 plus for interior cleaning. You just did the hardest part for pennies. Now think about this. If something this simple can replace a $150 service, what do you think the next trick can save you? Before we go ahead, if you like saving money on your car, hit like and subscribe right now, because the next tricks only get crazier. Trick number 14. Fix sticky car keys. Your key won't turn smoothly? Most people think lock is broken. Expensive repair? Wrong. Spray a tiny amount of WD-40 on the key, insert it, twist gently. Done. It clears dirt buildup inside the lock mechanism, saves you from a $100 locksmith visit. But here's the real question. What if your problem isn't mechanical at all, but just dirt you can fix in seconds? Let's go deeper. Trick 13. Hide windshield chips. Temporary fix. Small chip annoying you while driving? WD-40 can actually make it less visible instantly. Spray, wipe, clarity improves. Important. Not a permanent fix, but perfect if you're waiting for repair or just need better visibility temporarily. Ask yourself, if it can visually fix glass, what do you think it can do for your car paint? Trick 12. Hide light. Scratches, lights is ruining your car's look? Before spending $500 plus, use WD-40 on a microfiber cloth. Rub gently and watch scratches fade instantly. It fills micro imperfections, not permanent, but perfect for selling your car photos. Quick touch-up. Think, if it can improve your car's look in seconds, what about something that actually improves performance? Quick pause. If even one of these tricks surprised you, you hit like, seriously, because trick number 10 is where things start saving you real money. Trick 11. Revive wiper blades. Wipers squeaking? Don't replace them yet. Wipe the rubber edge with WD-40. It removes dirt, sap, road film. Suddenly, smooth again. Saves $30–60 instantly. But here's the real question. What if the problem isn't the part, but just dirt making it fail? Trick 10. Prevent seize spark plugs. This one is huge. Before removing spark plugs, spray WD-40 around the base. Wait 10–15 minutes. Prevents broken plugs. Stripped thread. 200 plus repair disasters. Mechanics know this, but they don't tell you. Now think carefully. If this prevents engine damage, what's the next trick that protects your battery? Trick number 9. Make tires look new. Spray WD-40 on a cloth. Wipe tire sidewalls. Instant deep black shine. Perfect for selling your car. Quick detailing. Don't use on tread. Now ask yourself, if it can improve looks instantly, what about something that prevents breakdowns? We're getting into the serious stuff now. Subscribe if you haven't already, because trick number 8 can literally prevent you from getting stranded. Trick number 8. Remove battery corrosion. This is one of the biggest hidden problems. Corroded terminals. Car won't start. Fix. Spray WD-40. Let sit. Clean. Apply light coat. Prevents no start situations. Tow truck's battery damage. Now think, if cleaning one thing prevents breakdowns, what else are you ignoring that's costing you money? Trick number 7. Restore foggy headlights. Cloudy headlights? WD-40 restores clarity instantly. Better visibility, safer night driving. Temporary fix, but effective. Now here's the question. If visibility improves instantly, What about something that prevents winter damage completely? You're halfway through, and the next tricks. They actually prevent damage, not just fix it. Drop a like if you're still watching. Trick number 6, prevent frozen doors. Extended plus engaging. Winter hits. You walk to your car. You pull the handle, and the door just won't open. Now most people panic. Some even force it open. And that's where the real damage happens. Because when you force a frozen door, you're not just opening it. You're slowly tearing the rubber seals. And once those seals are damaged, you start getting wind, noise, water leaks, and expensive replacements. But here's the simple fix mechanics rarely talk about. Take a cloth, spray a little WD-40, and wipe along the rubber door seals. That's it. What it does is create a thin moisture barrier, so ice never bonds to the rubber in the first place. Now your doors open smoothly, even in freezing temperatures. And here's the part most people don't realize. This doesn't just prevent freezing, it actually keeps the rubber flexible and extends its life, meaning you're preventing damage before it even starts. Now think about this. If something this simple can protect rubber from extreme weather, what about protecting metal parts from something even worse? Rust? Trick number 5, stop rust before it spreads. Rust is one of the most dangerous things for your car, not because it looks bad, but because it spreads silently. Today, it's a tiny spot. Tomorrow, it turns into a $500, $1,000 repair. But here's what most drivers don't know. If you catch rust early, you can actually stop it. Take WD-40. Spray it directly on the rust spot. Wait 10-15 minutes, then scrub lightly. What happens? The rust loosens, breaks down, and becomes much easier to remove. Now here's the key part. After cleaning, spray a light coat again. That creates a temporary barrier that blocks moisture, and moisture is what makes rust spread. Reality check. This is not a permanent fix for deep rust. But for early surface rust, it can literally save you hundreds. Now ask yourself, if your car gives early warning signs like rust, what about sounds your car makes that you're ignoring right now? Trick 4. Fix squealing belts. Smart diagnosis trick. That annoying squealing noise. You start the car. Screech! Most people instantly think, I need a new belt. But that's not always true. Sometimes, it's just dirt, moisture, or glazing. And here's the trick mechanics use to check this instantly. You spray a small amount of WD-40 on the belt. Be careful, engine running, hands clear. Now listen closely. If the noise disappears, it means belt is dirty or glazed, not necessarily damaged. If the noise stays, now you know belt or tensioner actually needs replacement. Why this is powerful. Most shops charge you just to diagnose this. You just did it yourself in seconds. For free. Now think about this. If you can diagnose problems instantly like this, what if you could prevent parts from failing before they even make noise? At this point, you've already saved yourself money, time, and unnecessary repairs. So real quick, hit like and subscribe because the next tricks, these are the ones most people never learn, and they can prevent actual breakdowns. Trick number 3, fix stuck fuel. Door you pull up to the gas station. Press the fuel door. Nothing happens. Now you're stuck there, looking confused, trying again and again. This happens because of dirt buildup, rust, or stuck hinges. But here's the 30-second fix. A spray WD-40 on the hinge and latch. Open and close it a few times. Done. Why this matters if you ignore this? That small issue turns into a broken latch, and that can cost $200+ to fix. Now ask yourself, if something this small can fail and cost money, what about parts that directly affect your safety? Trick number 2, fix seatbelt retractor, safety hack. This one is serious. If your seatbelt is slow, sticky, or doesn't retract properly, that's not just annoying, that's dangerous. Because in an accident, it may not protect you properly. Simple fix, pull the belt out fully. Take a cloth with a small amount of WD-40. Wipe along the belt, then let it retract and repeat a few times. What happens? You remove dirt oil buildup friction, and the retractor becomes smooth again. Important, don't overuse WD-40. Too much slippery belt, not safe. Light cleaning only. Now think carefully. 1. If something this small affects your safety. What about something that affects your ability to stop the car? Trick number 1. Prevent brake. Rotor rust. Critical. Now this one, you must understand properly, because done right, it's genius. Done wrong, it's dangerous. Where to apply only on outer edge of rotor center hub, never on braking surface. Why this works? These areas collect moisture and rust quickly. Over time, it looks bad, can affect wheel mounting, can lead to uneven wear. WD-40 creates a protective barrier, preventing rust before it even starts. Braking surface must stay completely clean. No oil, no spray, ever. Now ask yourself this. If one simple product can protect your car like this, how many problems are you dealing with right now? That could have been prevented in minutes. If this video helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe right now, because tricks like these don't just fix problems. They prevent expensive ones before they even start. And trust me. The next video is going to show you things even most mechanics don't talk about. You don't want to miss it.